Okay, I just want to do a plug for my own video. It's pretty sad when you have to do this, but this is the way it is with my channel. I did a video just a few days ago. EAS, October 3rd, 2018, forecast of bums, third term 2021. If people can't see this, then what the hell can I do? Seriously. What more do you need to know at this point? It's the number of his name, or it's nothing at all. The EAS system. 2 thumbs up, and one of those thumbs up is my own. That is really crazy. Please read the blog under that video, and 37 views, come on. I posted it 5 days ago. What the heck is going on? I got 840 plus. No pun intended, 840. Subscribers, 37 views. Thanks for listening.